Hello, welcome to Educate's channel. Hi, how are you? Good. Let's start colors. Right? Okay. This one. Okay, let's check. Open it. It's the acrylic color. We'll check. We'll do painting from this color. Right? Okay, let's check. Hmm. Hmm. Oh, wow. Wow. Let's open it. Hmm. Blue, pink, yellow, red, purple, orange, green, light green, brown, light blue, black, white. Oh, this is a brush. Hmm. No, no. This one. Okay. We'll do this from this. No, no, not at all. Oh, wow. So a new one. Let's open it. Mmm. Yummy colors. New one. Okay. We'll start from this. Purple, green, light green, pink, black, and many more. Let's start. Right? Be prepared. Red color. Apple. Mmm. Let's look amazing. Red one. Apple is always red or sometime light green. But usually, which we are eating, it is red apple. Right? Awesome in taste. It's very juicy. Red apple. Red. Wow. Wow. Great. Hmm. Look awesome. Looking good? Okay. A for apple. Apple is red. So color is red. Right? This is the light brown, or you can say orange. Right? And the leaves were green. Right? Dark green. We'll use this. So we use three colors: apple, red, main color is red, then orange, then green. Right? Oh, yeah. Thank you, apple. Great. Now orange. Orange is always orange. Let's start. Orange, right? Great. The color is orange. O for orange, and the color is orange. Right? Wow. Looks good. Great. Great. Good. Great. Then this one is should be orange, right? Let's start. Good. That's good. Good. If you like my painting skills or our channel educates, so please subscribe our channel. Or if you like this video, please like also. And also share with your friends and loved ones. Great. Looking good. Orange is looking real one. Real orange. And leaves also green. Leaves will be green. Right? Awesome. Great. So, banana. Right? B for banana. Banana should be yellow. Right? Great. Looks good. Great. Awesome. Wow. Looks good. The real banana, the real pick, the real paint, right? Please subscribe my channel if you like my video. That's good. The real one. Yeah. Black one. The color we used in banana is yellow and black. So for apple, red color, green color and light brown. For orange, orange and green. For banana, yellow and black. Right? Now, looks good? Okay, let's move on. Next segment, which is watermelon. Very yummy watermelon. Right? So we'll start with the red one. The actual color of watermelon inside is red. Oh yeah. Looks good. Awesome. Good. Great. Looks good. Oh yeah. This one is also red. Good. So watermelon, we use the color which is red. This is the dark green, or you can say the normal green one, right? Wow. And center part of the watermelon should be a light, right? This will be a light tone like this, or maybe you can leave for white also, but it should be lighter tone. Watermelon, green and red, the combination. Thank you. Then again, grapes, G for grapes. Grapes. So purple, right? We'll use purple because I like the purple grapes. That's why I'm using purple. Also, you can use the light yellow, which is a normal grapes, but I use the purple because of I like the purple grapes. Wow, amazing, looks good. If you are liking my videos, please do subscribe my channel Educates. Now I am putting the informational videos regarding the drawings, right? And also the countings, ABCs for the childrens. So it will be very helpful. In the playing mood, we will see or we will learn definitely, right? Look good. Grapes. That should be a lighter brown, lighter green, or lighter yellow. It's up to you which color you are using, right? So looks good. So leaf will be green, right? Awesome. Now last. Thank you. Now last but not least, my favorite, your favorite, strawberry. Wow, the red one, very juicy. We are using as milkshake. We'll put the milk in the grinder or juicer, mixer, and we'll put the strawberry in it. We'll making the shake. I'm loving it. Strawberry, very yummy, very juicy, very tasty. The strawberry, great, looks good. Wow, see, strawberry. Do not forget to subscribe my channel, right? So we'll enjoy and learn. Both of the things you will get from my channel, right? Yeah, this one also should be red. Now, the turn for green one. Wow, wow, great. The juicy and very tasty. All six fruits are very tasty. Apple, orange, banana, watermelon, grapes, and strawberry. Wow, looks natural. Original one. Great. Looks good. Very good. The last one will be green. And light brown or natural one, right? So in strawberry we use three color: red, green, and that. Thank you. If you like my channel, please subscribe. Now repeat: apple, orange, banana, watermelon, grapes, strawberry. Apple, orange, banana, watermelon, grapes, strawberry. Thank you. Take care. Till my next video.